Hi, welcome to Palai Planet again, and we have got a question here which is a very simple question from circles. And since I've just restarted the circles unit for grade 10, so we are starting with the question number 1, and that's very simple question though. It says that the radii of the two circles are 19 centimeters and 9 centimeters respectively, right? So there are two circles, right? And the radii of these two circles are very simply shown. They have told us this is one of them is 19, right, and the other one is 9 centimeter, and this is 19 centimeter, right? Now what we need to do is we need to find out the radius of the circle which has got the circumference equal to the sum of the circumference of the two circles. So if this is the circle C1, this is C2, then we need to find out the radius of a third circle, right? Of a third circle, probably this one, right, which is C3, and the circumference this part, right, is equal to the circumference of this bigger circle, right? So so the relationship which is given in the question says that the circumference of C3, that's the third circle, is equal to the sum of the circumference of C1 and C2, right? Or if I consider the radius of this circle as R3, and suppose this is R1 and this is R2 for us, then I can also write that 2 pi R3 is equal to 2 pi R1 plus 2 pi R2, right? And now let's put these values and start simplifying this. And if you see, then we can also write it like 2 pi R3 is equal to, we'll take the 2 pi common from this, and this is like 2 pi R1 plus R2. Now this gets cancelled, right? That's simple. And R3 is simply equal to R1 plus R2. So what we can say is that that's like 19 and this is 9, so that's equal to 28 centimeter, right? So that's the answer, and that's how we can solve. So it's very simple. Whenever we have such circles, such situations, even if there are more circles, we've got say 3 circles, and the question is that if the sum of these 3 circles is equal to the third to the circumference of the third circle, then just simply add up the radii of all the smaller ones, and you will get the answer for the radius of the bigger circle, right? So I hope you could understand. Thank you so much, and I'm coming up with more videos on circles. Keep watching. Thank you. Bye bye.